Welcome to Handy Hudsonite. I'm going to show you how to remove a wheel using an impact wrench. What I've done is I've jacked up the car. As you can see, the tire is free. And if you're doing this with hand tools, the vehicle is going to have to be on the ground, because when you go to try to turn the wheel nuts, it's just going to spin the wheel. But with an impact wrench, the convenience is that you can do this after you jack the vehicle up. So I will show you how to remove this. This is a Honda Odyssey 2004, and as you can see, in order to get all the wheel nuts off, you're going to need this adapter, which comes with the vehicle, and so make sure you don't lose that. And what you want to do is just remove each of the wheel nuts with the impact wrench, and it should go pretty quickly. So let me show you how I do it. And you want to make sure that this adapter is seated firmly in here. Sometimes it's not, and it'll just spin. So you want to make sure that's locked in and engaged. And that's all you have to do to remove the wheel nuts. I'm using it's kind of dirty, but a Chicago Electric from Harbor Freight, and this is a plug-in, which isn't real convenient, but it's been a great tool for me for removing wheel nuts and other bolts. It's got a decent amount of impact, not as much as you'd find in some of the more popular name brands, but it gets the job done. And so that's how you remove your wheel, especially on a Honda Odyssey.